how to move your chats into a project. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial we learn how you can move two different chats into a project or create a project with different chats. So if you wish to combine different chats together as a single project, then all you will need to do is simply follow these simple steps. So after launching your Claude UI, you will need to click onto this chats option over the left hand tab. Now, once you have clicked onto the chats option, you will see that this will lay out all of the chats that you have done with your Claude code. If you cannot find the chat here, you can simply search for your chats over here. So for example, let's say I want this chat and also this chat to be moved to our project. So after selecting these two chats, I have this button right here just besides the delete option, that is move two chats to a project. So I'm going to click onto this option, and from here I can simply choose that particular project over where I want to move this chat. Also, if that particular project does not exist, you can simply create it by clicking onto this create button. So click onto this create button, and from here it is moving these two chats in this folder that I have just created. So this is my project and these two are the chats within the same. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.